So we were talking about what was the topic yesterday? Yeah.
Belongingness.
Okay. Let's have it from you, Monica.
Oh, belongingness to me is कि अपनापन होता है कि जहाँ where you feel that you're connected wholly solely मतलब जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं ना तन मन और धन से उससे connection हो. So that is to me what I understand is belongingness is that's how the way you're connected with your parents, your children, and unconditionally. जहाँ conditions लग जाती हैं, what I feel is वहाँ belongingness नहीं रहती. This is what I feel.
Can I ask you something?
हाँ जी पूछो please.
आप कह रहे हो, आप ही के वर्ड्स दोबारा रिपीट कर रही हूँ, जैसे पेरेंट्स के साथ, बच्चों के साथ, जहाँ कोई कंडीशंस नहीं होती.
हाँ जी.
आपकी कंडीशंस नहीं है.
नहीं, माँ बाप के साथ और बच्चे के साथ तो नहीं है. To be honest, उस बाकियों में बाकी रिलेशनशिप.
I so believe in you. You never have to say, to be honest. But the thing is that how is your relationship with your son not conditional? Can I have that? Can we have that? Like,
I don't know. I just can't.
What is
I feel whatever.
what does unconditional mean, sweetheart?
Sheer love without any having anything कि अगर वो ये करेगा तो मैं ये करूँगी or something like that. It's nothing like that with him. I go out of the way or something like that. हाँ, that is what it is with parents also because पहले शायद था पर अब because as they are aging, right? तो मेरे को होता है कि यार conditions लगा के तो वहाँ पर बात नहीं बनती ना.
So वहाँ
बाकी
पे
relationships में है.
वहाँ पे again coming back to I can go at any far. Yeah, that's what
I know that.
है ना. तो वो जो any far वाली जगह होती है वो कौन सी होती है?
मतलब वो कुछ भी कह सकते हैं मेरे को, कुछ भी कह लें या कुछ something like that. अगर वो थोड़ी जाती भी कर दे.
I'll come back to your son.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll come back to your son. Is your relationship with your son unconditional truth?
That's what I think so. बाकी पता नहीं. This is what I think. जहाँ तक मेरी knowledge आती है या जहाँ तक मेरी समझ है या जहाँ तक मेरी awareness है, this is what I think. This is unconditional. बाकी maybe I'm wrong there. I'm not saying that.
No, we are not talking about the wrongs here. We're just talking what we are.
That's right.
We're not talking with this. This is not a calculation call. Yeah, which is evaluation of. We're just saying what we actually are. And what is unconditional? Unconditional is where I do not. I just do it and then I forget it. You get that? Yeah. And do you forget it?
I tend to. In his case, I tend to.
Really? Is it just monetary or is it something else?
No. Monetary तो मतलब ही नहीं है. वो तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं honestly. दूसरी तरफ से कि जो भी है.
But you're still not with me, sweetheart. You're not with my question. You're still working from your 5 kgs on the shoulders. Yeah. You're not with me. You're not with this question. For you, unconditional means that you keep giving, keep giving, keep giving, keep giving. That's what your understanding is. Yeah. And mind you, you'll be 80, he'll be 40. You'll still keep doing that.
No, it's not that. I keep receiving also. Unconditional उसकी तरफ से. Receiving whatever. Receive मैं उससे क्या कर सकती हूँ? It's his love, my respect. What else?
पर आपका ना उस रिलेशनशिप में क्लैरिटी नहीं है, वैसे बता रही हूँ आपको, है ना. वो कहते हैं ना कई बारी जो हमारी मोहब्बत रहती है ना वो जो सच्चाई होती है ना उसको ढक के रखती है ना। और माँ की मोहब्बत ऐसी ही रहती है।
सॉरी आई डिडंट गेट यू कि सच्चाई किस तरह, कैन
तो
यू जस्ट
आप,
कम अगेन?
I will just keep throwing the questions. The evaluation is all yours because I am nobody.
ओके
I don't have the capacity to evaluate anybody. Okay, I will just, I would like to make you aware that जो सच्चाई होती है ना उसको आपकी मोहब्बत उसको ढक के रख देती है। और इस चीज को अगर आप 2, 4, 5 दिन इसके साथ रहेंगे ना, जो मैं कह रही हूँ, तो आपको समझ आएगी कि जो आप जिसको अनकंडीशनल कहते हैं ना वो एक्चुअली अनकंडीशनल के कहीं पास भी नहीं है। अभी ना थोड़ा सा खुश फहमी में ही है कि यू नो इट इज जस्ट अनकंडीशनल। यू गेट दैट? Yeah, should I tell you something? Because you know you have, the other day also, one other day I talked to you on the call where I said that your child is your weakness. Okay? और जहां पे मेरी वीकनेस होती है ना वहां मेरी अपनी जड़ों के साथ जो मेरी एसोसिएशन होती है ना बहुत कम होती है। मेरी जड़ों के साथ। Yeah. And if you will make that extra effort of knowing where you are functioning from, probably in the times to come, you know, your life will be easier. You get that? Otherwise, in the times to come, it's going to be really tough. ये मेरी forecast है. Okay. So इसके साथ 2, 4, there's nothing wrong about. Yeah. But then there is nothing right about it also, frankly. Okay. Because sometimes ना जब तक कोई मुझे कुछ थोड़ा सा पोकिंग कहता नहीं ना मैं वहां पे कभी जाने की कोशिश भी नहीं करती। क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मैं सब कुछ ठीक है वहां। और वो ऐसा दायरा है जहां पे सच में बताऊं तो 80% नहीं ठीक है, सिर्फ 20 ठीक है। ठीक है? So I'll just leave you with this question here. Be with this question here. There is nothing wrong. There is nothing right to. But this is not real. Okay? और जो रियल होता है ना वो रियल ही होता है। उसको हमें ना ढकने की जरूरत नहीं होती है। उसको ना जस्टिफिकेशन की जरूरत नहीं होती है ना। उसको ना मैं 1000 बारी कोई मुझे बुलवा लेना किसी भी पोडियम पे खड़े होके ना उसके क्यों। और ना मेरा जो आप कह रहे हो ना माइंड बॉडी सोल एक होके वो चीज बोलता है। यू गेट दैट? तो अभी कहीं अपने आप में आपकी जो है ना 1, 2, 3 वो नहीं है, कहीं उसकी अभी कॉन्ग्रुएंसी नहीं है। और अगर आपको लग रहा है तो आपको अगेन यू नीड टू गेट बैक टू योरसेल्फ। Yeah, because you know everywhere that I'm not ready to face things which are authentic, I always keep myself in the dark, and that darkness just gives me crevices to fall into and nothing else. And then each time I fall and then find a place for myself is not a very intelligent thing. You get it? It's not a very intelligent thing. I'm not saying that crevices will never come or they do not come. But the thing is that when I am authentically desiring to see the real, then just before the crevice I know there is. You get that? Then what do? Either I jump and go, or I take a side lane and go. I don't go through it. There's a difference, no? है ना? पटल होता है तो या तो उसके बीच में से निकलते हैं, सब कपड़े कीचड़ में भर जाते हैं, है ना? और या फिर उसको जंप कर लेते हैं कि जंप करने लायक डिस्टेंस है। और तीसरी चीज होती है कि उसको वो लिया ही नहीं, साइड से होके गुजर गए तो चींटियों से बच गए थोड़ा सा। ठीक है? तो जहां पर भी आपको लगता है, स्पेशली इन दैट केस आई एम सेइंग, कि आपका जो रिलेशनशिप है वो अनकंडीशनल है, प्लीज डू अ रियलिटी चेक विद योरसेल्फ, and 3-4 days being with that, this energy of the question will give you clarity about yourself. I don't have anything to do with it. You get that? Anything which we desire to face up to, like the concerned person is the only person who is uh, getting the benefit of it, isn't it? Is that not? और अगर repercussions भी हैं तो वो भी सब आप ही के हैं. Yeah.
बिल्कुल ठीक.
You get that? So you get, you be there, because like, should I tell you something? Each time Abhik will come in the conversation, your son, the energy that you speak from is defense mode. You get that? It is a defense mode. And why do I like to defend? You have to ask yourself. There is something very grave about it. Get it? Something very grave about it. Check it out. You'll get to know yourself. It'll give you much more in-depth. It'll give you much more in-depth knowing about yourself, about the relationship, and how do you need to perform in that, so that you get like an ecstatic space for yourself, which is amazing for all times to come. Okay? You get that?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so we were talking about the belonging. Yeah. So what was it that was missing in your life, where you desire to belong, where you desired to be heard, where you desire to be one with the tribe? Yeah. And there was a question yesterday which had come my way, where somebody was sharing that, when she goes to her son's place, which is in another city, then what happens is that she doesn't feel that she belongs there. Okay? So do any one of you also ever feel when you go to a near and dear one's place where you feel that you do not belong there?
May I say something, Malvika?
Yeah, sure.
When you were talking to Monica, something came up. Like, I've never thought myself as belonging to, I don't know. It has really created something in my mind. Badi confusion ho gayi hai. All of a sudden, it's like many things are coming up. Jaise, when I come back, I'll start from here. When we go out for a vacation, when we come back somehow, as soon as we take the right cut towards our house, it's like I just feel, I am back. It's like entire vicinity, trees, everything is around here to engulf me. As soon as I enter my house, I'm filled with such a sense of belonging, जो मुझे कभी किसी से मिलकर नहीं आती. Not with relatives, not with close relatives, nobody. I mean, I am here, I do everything very nicely. I take care of all the relations, everything. But somehow that sense of, I belong to that person, that has something, it just opened up. Abhi. I mean, I was comparing in my mind, as Monica, when she was talking, I was comparing in my mind, I belong to these trees and plants, or I belong to these individuals out here. I mean, I am not failing in any work. I do everything to the perfection, but I don't have that, feeling of the belongingness. What is belongingness? I mean, मुझे लगता है मेरा घर, ये जो पेड़ है मेरे घर के पास, आई मीन एज अ टीनेजर when I was asked what kind of a husband, house, I just two gulmohar trees sprang up in my head. And when I got married, I shifted to my new house. It was like there was gulmohar trees all around, and I was like कि बस यही है. I can spend hours standing and watching those trees, but I have never felt that sense of belonging to a parent, sibling, in-laws, even husband or children. I'm there as a parent to the best. I'm there as a wife, as a daughter-in-law, as any relation you take it, you name it, I'm there. But that sense of belonging is not there. I don't belong to anybody. It's just that. I mean, you have to, I don't know ये कहाँ से आया, क्या हुआ. कल मैं आराम से बैठी थी, सब सुन रही थी, सब हो रहा था, but एकदम से आज ये आया. What is this? Like, I don't know. I think I'm totally crazy or what.
को लगता है सारे हम क्रेजी हैं इकट्ठे, नहीं?
पता नहीं क्रेजी है मैं, तभी आपकी दुनिया में आ गई कहीं से. आप आ गई मेरी दुनिया में. I don't know, but
actually there's nothing crazy about it. Yeah, all we are different from the world. Yeah, and whenever we account the world to be different from us, that doesn't mean that there's anything wrong about them or there is anything wrong about us. Yeah. But obviously, when I am at a different energy space, yeah, then my perception of the same world is so different than what others have. Yeah, and should I tell you that people who have least expectations are the most difficult to be with? Can I repeat it?
yeah, please.
If you encounter a person who has least expectations from you, it is the most difficult to be with that person. Can I repeat the third time?
No,
Please,
you don't
Madhika.
need to repeat. Please explain this.
No, just please just repeat it for once. I can write it somewhere.
The
If
person who has least expectation from you.
It's okay. I got it now.
most
You get that?
Yeah.
The person who has least expectation from you is the most difficult to be with. And I'll give you the answer also to that. But are you getting जो मैं कह रही हूँ? वीनू जी, हेलो, आपको एक रिक्वेस्ट कर सकती हूँ 62 दिनों के बाद बोलकर कह सकती हूँ, एक रिक्वेस्ट है. हाँ, आप ना इस कॉल को ना लिखना बंद करिएगा, ठीक है? आपको ये कॉल आपके घर तक पहुंच जाएगी YouTube में. आप इसकी एनर्जी के साथ रहिएगा. ये जो एनर्जी के साथ आप एकजुट होके रहेंगे ना, तो वो आपके बहुत सारे जो आकार विकार है ना, सब निकाल देगी. आपको लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, ठीक है? इस पे विश्वास करिएगा. मैं 62 दिनों में देखती हूँ आपकी विंडो पे ना, सच में आज बहुत गट्सी होके बोल रही हूँ, आपकी विंडो पे देख नहीं सकती हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि इतनी हलचल रहती है उसमें, है ना? कोई गलती नहीं निकाल रही, प्लीज कान को हाथ लगा के पहले ही कह रही हूँ. उसका एक रीजन है, क्योंकि ना जितना अपने अंदर हलचल 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 रहती है ना, उतनी हलचल हलचल अपने पेपर पे रहती है, उतनी हलचल बुद्धि में रहती है, उतनी हलचल पेन में रहती है. तो दफा कीजिए ना, जो चीज आपके तक पहुंचने के लिए आज आ रही है उसको आप रिसीव करिए, है ना? हम थिएटर में जाते हैं ना, तो पता है क्या करते हैं? कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है, हम उसकी फोटो खींचते रहते हैं. अरे कॉन्सर्ट तो एंजॉय कर लीजिए, नहीं है? कॉन्सर्ट तो एंजॉय कर लीजिए ना, उसके साथ तो एक बारी टाइम व्यतीत करने का. जब अपने पास स्मार्टफोन नहीं थे तो कैसे यहाँ पे फोटो खींच लेते थे ना. इतनी शार्प अपनी बुद्धि है सभी की. यू गेट दैट? इंग्लिश, हिंदी, पंजाबी, फ्रेंच, परवाह नहीं कीजिएगा, आपके अंदर सब जा रहा है. सिर्फ ट्रस्ट कीजिए, उसको कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप तक वो यूट्यूब वीडियो पहुंचेगा. दोबारा सुनिएगा, जब दोबारा सुनेंगे ना फिर उसमें से लिखिएगा. क्योंकि अभी आप, द होल थिंग इज कि 25% चीज अंदर जाती है, बाकी की सब ऐसे ही चलेगा. यू गेट दैट? क्योंकि आपका दिल करता है आप उसको कंसाइज करके लिख पाए. छोड़ दीजिए, ये भी बंधन है, एक और बंधन से अपने आप को निवारण कीजिएगा. यू गेट दैट? Coming back to what I'm saying, that the person who has least expectations from you is the most tough to be with. क्योंकि जिसको आपसे expectations रहती है ना, या उस expectation को पूरा करने में आप लगे रहते हैं. आप समझ रहे हैं? तो आपकी ऑक्यूपेंसी बनी रहती है. आपको क्या लगता है, जैसे मैं माँ हूँ, एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, मेरा बच्चा मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट करता है मुझे टाइम दे, माँ मुझे एनर्जी दे, मेरे साथ बैठे, मेरे लिए खाना बनाए. यू गेट दैट? ये सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस रहती किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में. जस्ट टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल. तो हम क्या करते हैं, उस एक्सपेक्टेशन को पूरे करने में टाइम लगा रहे होते हैं. यू गेट दैट? और अगर मुझे आप मेरे बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड है और मुझे आपसे जीरो एक्सपेक्टेशन है, या मेरा बच्चा है मगर उसको मुझसे जीरो एक्सपेक्टेशन है, तो है कि नहीं टफ? हाँ ना, कुछ बोलेंगे?
हाँ.
है ना? कैसे है टफ, बताएं.
टफ इसलिए क्योंकि आई थिंक जो हमसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, वी आर लाइक कि वी आर फुलफिलिंग देयर डिमांड्स, व्हाट दे वांट, व्हाट दे एक्सपेक्ट ऑफ अस, वी आर शोन अ वे. और जहाँ पे एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं है, इट्स लाइक अ ब्लैंक जोन कि आपको पता ही नहीं कि व्हाट दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. आई मीन यू आर टोटली zoned out.
Absolutely. Because, you know, the expectation keeps taking your energy and you feel you are wanted. You are productive. You are good. You are bad. आपको समझ आ रही है?
हाँ हाँ, परफेक्ट.
है ना? तो हम उस चीज को पूरे करने में हमें भरपूरता लगती है. और आप देखिए कि किसी को आपसे कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं, टाइम की नहीं, खाने की नहीं, ये नहीं, वो नहीं. आपको लगता है यार मैं तो बेकार हूं, आई एम नॉट. मेरी एग्जिस्टेंस का मायना क्या है? मेरी एग्जिस्टेंस का मायना क्या है? आपको पता है, तभी जब घर से बच्चे चले जाते हैं हॉस्टल्स में, तो माएं पागल हो जाती हैं. You get that? They go into depression. अपने बच्चों की पेरेंट्स शादियां कर देते हैं और उसके बाद especially the mothers, because they have that emotional touch. It is such an in-depth thing. There is nothing wrong about it, but the thing is आपको अपने 2 पाँव की जगह ही नहीं मिल पाती है. You get it? So whenever I am with people who least expect from me, it is the toughest for me to be. Why? Because I just lose that touch of what am I here for actually? है ना? अब तो माँ की रोल अदायगी भी चली गई, बच्चा ही हॉस्टल में चला गया. You get that? You get it? So everywhere that you think or you have understood or you have misunderstood, ये expectations जहां नहीं रहती ना, वहां पे easy होता है. ये भी एक खुशफहमी है, ये एक्सपेक्टेशन वहां पे सबसे ज्यादा टफ होता है. जहां पे डिमांडिंग वाइफ्स रहती है ना, वहां पे हस्बैंड्स खुश रहते हैं. लड़ाई भी होती रहेगी मगर खुश भी रहेंगे, है ना? और अगर वाइफ नॉन डिमांडिंग हो जाए, है ना, कहते हैं अरे सब तो मांगते हैं, कोई चेन, कोई चूड़ी, कोई
Can I add something?
Yeah, please.
I'm just wanting to say that if you have expectations, then also people are they are suffering. If they don't have expectations, then also they are suffering. It's not that only one way. They are suffering both ways.
They're suffering both ways, but I'm just trying to tell you that offering to the expectation is easier than not offering to an expectation. I'm telling you that. Suffering is both ways. You get that? Because in offering to the expectation, I find a meaning. But when I don't have a meaning, then how tough my life becomes. The whole thing is that. Yeah. Then where do I belong? I'm coming back to that. Then where do I belong? Do I belong to yeah?
Because we are cooking up so much in our heads.
Cooking up.
You know, there's so much nonsense that we cook up in our heads. This is all the game of our thoughts. This is all the game of our intellect.
It
You know.
is. It is. But how many of us have ever tried to even segregate? You know, how many of us, even on call, would have ever thought that, yeah, zero expectation, you know, things would have been easy. This was, ye ek khushfehmi thi na? I'm just making that clear.
Malvika, can I share something?
Yasha?
Since like childhood मेरे को गीता बहुत अच्छे से याद थी and मैंने just अभी 2 दिन से महाभारत देखना शुरू किया and today only I watched the episodes of Geeta Sar. There were 3 and 4 episodes. And by the awareness of the calls and जितना मैं अपने आप में evolve होने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, by that I come to know because the same episode which the message you posted, you know, surrender, and same episode was happening over there, and I could get present to detachment, you know, the detachment. मतलब मेरे लिए भी कल belongingness is like very different awareness were coming, you know, that I don't belong to my parents, you know, they are not treating me this way and all that. मतलब in my friend circle, in my relationships and all. But when I listened to that, then I understood detachment truly, you know, and belongingness to the source only, where there is no that 5 vikars, that 5 virtues, and you know the own
Vices.
vices. So 5 vices, and there is only one thing, that you belong to your source and your source belong to one, and you guys are actually one, you know, that oneness, that inseparable oneness. But when I'm getting away from my oneness, my true oneness with my source, then I'm getting all the expectations, all the anger, all the frustrations. And because I believe in something, believe नहीं था, वो शायद मुझे याद हो गया था. Over the period, I extract the meaning of it. कि अगर मुझे tasteless सोना है ना, तो I need not to, मेरे को खाना नहीं छोड़ना है. मेरे को उसके अंदर जो अटैचमेंट है फूड के टेस्ट की, that is what I can let go. I need not to leave the food, you know.
Okay.
So I just come to know about it कि वो oneness with the supreme power, with the light, by making conscious awareness that I am actually a soul which is जो खत्म नहीं होने वाली, and जिसका घर यहाँ पे नहीं है, जिसके यहाँ पे relationships नहीं है. I'm here to experience something, right? And I need not to be actually expect anything. It is very tough initially when I'm recalling my past, my actions, my present, right? And my future actions to be. That will need effort. And slowly those efforts will be on knees when I'm not expecting anything from my mom. But I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. All my karmas. But in a happy note because I'm excited internally. क्योंकि मुझे उनसे अब कोई रिजल्ट नहीं चाहिए. So that is what I'm just getting present to it, because belongingness, what I could actually understand is belongingness to my real source and one with it. और उसमें मुझे actually कोई expectations नहीं है.
Okay.
So means I'm just getting belongingness. ये मुझे समझ में आ रहा है सुबह से. Means I'm just in that
Sorry,
space.
can I just add something? Ask this beautiful girl. I don't know. I have forgotten her name.
Manisha, yeah.
Manisha, you're saying that now I have no expectations means what? Sorry, can you explain it? I couldn't understand.
ईरा ऐसा नहीं है कि expectations नहीं है, because I haven't practiced it so well. But yeah, I just got a present right now that like if I talk about expectations कि मम्मा मेरे लिए ये सब करेंगे, पापा को करना ही है, that is because मैं उनकी बच्ची हूँ, तो he is supposed to do that. My brother is supposed to do that because being a brother sister relationships, he is supposed to, जब भी मैं उसकी help मांगू उसको करना ही है, and everything, because वो मेरी daily चलती थी, and not for every hour but every minute and every second in my thoughts, right? So even मम्मा का expectations हैं, घर का ये काम कर लो, मुझे मेरे business का expectations and everything. I just get present to it. मैंने अभी कुछ खत्म नहीं किया, but awareness which came to is like, why do I need to go for it? अगर मुझे business भी करना है, there are some actions जो मैंने अपने लिए target लिए, उसके लिए मुझे बस happily आगे बढ़ना है. I need not to, you know, take कि ये चीज होना ही चाहिए, अगर ये चीज नहीं हुआ तो आई एम गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड एंग्री एंड ऑन टू समथिंग. अगर मम्मा ने नहीं किया तो आई नीड टू स्टैंड अप एंड डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट आई गेट प्रेजेंट फॉर माई सेल्फ. और उसमें ट्रिगर होने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, बिकॉज इफ आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम हर, सो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एंग्री एंड फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. सो आई एम जस्ट इन अ डिटैच वे, क्योंकि मैं हैप्पीली उस चीज को कर रही हूँ. Because जो मुझे करना है मुझे करना है. Why would I need to pose anything onto her? That is what I got present to. Thank you.
Yeah.
And it could be that you do not have any expectations, but but please appreciate, people will still have expectations from you. Okay, don't forget
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Don't ever forget that I have been doing XYZ, और अपने को तो 5 सीढ़ियां ऊपर चढ़ गए, और तो अपने को तो अब कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है, और लोग भी सब, ऐसे वाली कोई बात नहीं है. ऐसे खुश, ऐसे वाले पिंक बबल में रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. लोगों को आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशन होंगी, और उनका होना बिल्कुल वाजिब है. जहां पे कोई जो होता है वहीं से वो फंक्शन कर पा सकता है, ठीक है? और उसके आगे का सिस्टम जो है वो यही रहता है कि मुझे उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन से भी मुझे डिटैच होना होता है ना? जो मैं कर सकूं कर दिया मिठास से, मगर मुझे उससे भी कि ये क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करता रहता है यार मेरे से, है ना? क्योंकि तो अपने आप को हमेशा रिमाइंडर देना पड़ता है कि जो भी मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ शायद वो नहीं कर रहे, है ना? और हो सकता है जिस चीज को मैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मान रही हूँ उनके लिए वो कतई ही इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. Get that? So that too is fine. That too is fine. Yeah, because generally when people start coming towards knowingness and they start working towards consciousness, what they start feeling is that I am superior than the other. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. आपकी इंडिविजुअल चॉइस है, आप वो चूज कर रहे हैं. क्यों? आपकी मजबूरी है. पता है क्यों मजबूरी? क्योंकि जहां पे आप हैं वहां पे आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. You get that? And something from within keeps telling you there is something more. Please turn towards that, and that is on the left side. So you turn left. You get that? उनकी अभी शायद वो मजबूरी नहीं है, या हो सकता है वो पहले ही वहां हो. मुझे उतने स्टेप्स कवर करने की जरूरत थी, शायद वो पहले ही वहां हो. Yeah. So everywhere, you know, that I always get into that entanglement of polarity. What is the entanglement of polarity? The entanglement of polarity is good, bad, ugly. That is where I do not belong to my own self. That is where I do not belong to the source, or I do not feel that I belong to the source. And everything that shows up for each one here, are you in this time ready to eliminate, evaporate, dissipate for all times to come? Yeah, is that good? So Praveenji is writing something. Is it other way around also? Praveenji, boliyega na. I could not get it actually. I could not get what you've written. I will.
You can
Yeah.
hear me?
Anji, ab I can.
Yeah, I was telling it means the relationship is basically, belongingness is based on expectation only. So that
What do you understand?
yeah, what you are saying is that when there is no expectation, then the belongingness, you don't feel the belongingness. You mean
No.
this thing, na?
No, I didn't say that at all.
But the other person then doesn't expect anything from you. What I could understand was, when the other person doesn't expect you from anything from you, then that sense of belongingness is not there.
It is, I'm saying you will experience a sense of not belonging because there is something empty in you. दूसरे को आपसे कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं है, और आपको ऐसे लगता है कि मुझे, why don't I belong to this person? Why don't I belong to this person?
Who lacks expectation, me or the other person?
मुझे एक बात बताइए, यहाँ पे जिंदगी की स्टोरी आपसे चल रही है कि आपके परिवार से?
नहीं, दोनों से चलती है ना, इट्स रिलेशनशिप इज
नो, आपकी सिर्फ आप ही से चलती है। रिलेशनशिप मेरा कितना भी घिनौना हो, मैं उसको बहुत सुधार सकती हूँ। क्या? सिर्फ अपने पे काम करके। क्या आप दूसरों को सुधार पाए जिनके साथ आप रहे इतने साल? Can you make a change in their thought process?
by expectation. What you mean? One should have expectation or not? What? Yes or no? That way, tell me.
Every question that you put on me, I will ask you. What do you think? Expectation, does it make you happy?
Yeah, but the expectation, when you expect, it's not, you are very happy. But when it doesn't get fulfilled, then you naturally feel bad about it.
Then why will if I have an expectation and then I do not get what I desire, what is the seed of pain?
The expectation.
तो फिर वो seed of pain के साथ रहना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, but otherwise you are telling me when you don't have expectation, then you don't have a sense of belonging. That is my
No. Sorry, you joined at a time when we were already in conversation and you've picked up something wrong. When this call comes up on YouTube, please re-listen to it.
okay.
I have not said this at all.
Okay, I'll just
Yeah, I have not said this at all. आप ये कह रहे हैं जहाँ एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं हो वहां पे आपको बिलोंगिंगनेस नहीं होती, यही कह रहे हैं ना आप? आपको ये समझ आई? मैं आपको कह रही हूँ कि आपको बिलोंगिंगनेस क्यों नहीं होती, मैं उसकी बात कर रही थी। आपको क्यों फीलिंग ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस नहीं होती? क्योंकि आपके अंदर खोखलापन है ना। आपको हर चीज दूसरे से चाहिए, वो ऐसा करें, वो आपको वार्मथ फील कराएं। अगर मेरे यहाँ का मेरे शरीर के ऊपर घमौरियां निकली हो तो दूसरे को थोड़ी ना वो क्या कहते हैं नाइसिल पाउडर डाल सकते हैं, अपने को ही डालनी पड़ेगी ना। तो घमौरियां तो मुझे हैं, मुझे फीलिंग ऑफ नॉट बिलोंगिंग मुझे है। आर यू गेटिंग? या दैट पर्सन इज नॉट हैविंग दैट ट्रबल। जो भी चीज का इलाज आज ढूंढ रहे हैं ना, वो सिर्फ अपने अंदर से ही ढूंढ रहे हैं और अपना ही कर सकते हैं। Yeah. So everywhere that we've always thought, it's an externalized thing, and the other one will, if they behave like that, I'll start feeling I belong. It's not going to ever happen. Where does belongingness come from? There is such a grave judgment from which not belonging comes from. You get that? Are you with me?
Okay, carry on. I'll understand.
Yeah, because see, I have such a big judgment of the other one. That's why I don't belong to that person. I have a very grave judgment. And it could be that judgment is all multiplied. Yeah. So जहाँ पे भी judgment multiplied रहेगी, वहाँ पे belongingness कैसे आ सकती है ना? आप अपने आप को ही नहीं बिलोंग कर सकते। आप जब शायद आईने में देखते हैं आंख ठीक नहीं है, पतले होते, नाक पतला होता, बाल लंबे होते, वो ऐसे हो जाता, वो वैसे हो जाता, तो तब आप अपने आप को ही नहीं बिलोंग करते ना। अभी तो हम दूसरे की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? तो उसमें से भी कैसे है ना, कांटों भरी नजरों से तो उसको देखते हैं तो कांटे ही दिखते हैं ना उसमें, है ना? मैं ऐसे करती तो वो ऐसा, उसको ऐसा करना चाहिए था। क्यों करना चाहिए था उसको? क्यों? मैं किसी XYZ तरीके से कर लेती काम नहीं ना, क्योंकि हम हर एक के घर में आलू मटर बनते हैं और हर एक के घर की सब्जी का जो आलू मटर का स्वाद है ना, वो अलग अलग रहता है। वही आलू वही मटर, ऐसे क्यों भाई? क्योंकि कुछ तो फर्क रहता होगा ना। एक ही जैसी होनी चाहिए थे सब घरों के स्वाद। कईयों की बहुत स्वाद होती है, कईयों की बिल्कुल नहीं लगती। Yeah. So everywhere that I'm finding faults in people, I am definitely looking from the eyes of judgment. Each time I look with the eyes of judgment, I do not belong. Why do I get to look from the eyes of judgment? Because I self-judge myself. And I have an expertise in that. Yeah. Sorry. Please. Yeah, please. We've missed you. You were not unmuted. Yeah. Ab bataiye.
Okay. Now you have used the word judgment. Earlier, I was having expectation word in my mind. Judgment and expectation are the two different words.
But what is the energy of both of them?
Different. Both of them have a different energy. Judgment,
Both of them have a different energy.
I feel.
Okay.
Judgment is slightly biased.
Ji?
Judgment is always biased slightly. The difference between the two is that is a bias. What I feel. I don't know. How you
Okay.
feel? You feel the both are the same?
नहीं, I'm asking you, sweetheart. मैं तो आपसे पूछ रही हूँ ना.
I
आपको
think that
हर एक का अपना, हर एक की अपनी समझ रहती है और सबकी समझ
for
सुनते
me,
हैं.
now things are more clear what I thought of earlier. Now the judgment word has made the things more clear.
Yeah.
Okay, carry on.
We can actually be with these two words. What is judgment and what is expectation and what is the energy behind this day? And I'm sure energy of expectation और judgment तो हर जगह आती है ना. इस टॉपिक के मुतल्लिक ही नहीं है.
It's
तो
always
एनर्जी के साथ थोड़ा सा रह के देखिए क्या ये एक्सपेक्टेशन और जजमेंट है ना. और आप जो आपने जजमेंट के साथ कुछ और बोला कि जजमेंट जो है ना हमेशा क्या होती है. What did you say?
what do you mean?
अभी आपने कुछ बोला है. हाँ, what is it?
उन्होंने बोला दो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स हैं, दो डिफरेंट
नहीं,
एनर्जीज.
समझ गई मैं, मगर इन्होंने कुछ बोला है कि जजमेंट
Biased.
मेकिंग होती है,
Biased.
बायस्ड होती है. जजमेंट आपने बोला बायस्ड होती है. आपने यही बोला ना, है ना. सो आप पूछिएगा अपने आप से कि जजमेंट बायस्ड होती है. एक दिन इसके साथ रहिएगा ना, अपने को भी तो क्लैरिटी आएगी. जब आपको कहती हूँ तो मुझे भी
Correct
रहना.
oneself. One has, first of all, I feel that one should not judge any person. It should be a neutral thing. But
Okay.
when you judge a person, it is always biased. What I feel.
Okay. And can I have another line from you when you say you are biased? Can you explain that?
Hey, it's a human nature. When for every person, for friend and all that, there's so many things around it. And when you think about a person, it's not one incident that comes into your mind. It's all together, the whole environment, all time duration, and there's so many things in any relationship. It's not a one point you can just pick it up and do it. As far as the relationship is concerned, I say it's a very wider thing. So many things are there. That particular time, that particular state of mind, whether when you, what I feel, there's so many things in it.
No, that's absolutely, we're not talking about relationships. I'm talking about how do you explain that judgment is when you are biased. I'm asking you that. कैसे रहते हैं biased? आप एक example देके बताइए ना.
आप किसी भी particular judgment जब करते हो किसी की, you do the both ways, right? Negative and positive. Judgment means कि you think of both the things, na? Positive and negative. What you do in judgment.
Okay.
Whereas in expectation, so you expect only good things. You never expect bad things from any person. In judgment, you have both the feelings, negative and positive.
Okay.
But I feel you may be correct.
Okay. So judgment has both the things.
Yes.
मगर judgment has
only one thing.
Judgment has both the things, मगर फिर भी वो both the things के साथ judgment क्या हो जाती है? Positive होती है कि negative होती है?
It depends how you do it, because there are two things. Both the things are there, and how you do it for a particular person it differs.
मगर मेरा एक question है कि आप judgment positive करें या negative?
It is for you to decide. It is for the person to decide.
That's absolutely fine. Please hear me out. I'm saying you do a positive judgment or a negative judgment. Isness से तो दूर रहते हैं ना? Isness से तो दूर रहते हैं. मैं कहती हूँ प्रवीण जी बहुत अच्छे हैं. Example simplify करते हैं. शायद ये बाकियों को नहीं समझ आ रहा है जहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं. You get that? The thing is, मैं कहती हूँ प्रवीण जी बहुत अच्छे हैं. अनु कहती प्रवीण जी बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं हैं. ठीक है ना? मगर प्रवीण जी तो जो है सो हैं. प्रवीण जी इज, समझे? 2-3 चीजों को आप समझ रहे हैं? मैं कहती हूँ प्रवीण जी बहुत अच्छे हैं. अनु कहती है बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं है. मगर प्रवीण जी तो हैं. क्या है? प्रवीण जी. You get that? तो जब हम इजनेस को ना देखते हुए उसके साथ गुड और बैड का अटैच कर देते हैं, उसको हम जजमेंट कहते हैं.
Yes.
Am I making sense? Get that? Yeah. And what is expectation? What is the expectation, Praveen ji?
The expectation is always a positive, na?
Okay.
We expect good things only.
Okay. But जो आपके लिए good है वो मेरे लिए तो bad है.
People जो है वो तो है ही है.
नहीं ऐसे कैसे? मैंने तो बोला, आप बोले कि माँ की दाल मुझे बड़ी स्वाद लगती है. अब मुझे तो गैस से पागल हो जाती हूँ, तो मैं फिर है ही कैसे? माँ तो माँ ही है.
तो माँ not going to change.
मखनी दाल तो मखनी दाल ही है ना.
No, it's
हमारी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी? हम मखनी दाल खा के भी अपने को गैस नहीं बनेगी, एक्सपेक्टेशन है. यही है ना?
I didn't get the point.
You didn't get it? आपने किसी से, आपके सामने कोई है, मैं कहती हूँ कि यार उसने मेरा ये काम कर दिया ना, ये अच्छा है ना? मखनी दाल का एग्जाम्पल भी वही है. या तो जब वो मेरा काम कर देता है तो मुझे लगता है वो बिल्कुल सही. जब वो नहीं करता तो मुझे लगता है ये बिल्कुल गलत. ठीक है ना? तो एक्सपेक्टेशन और who's there with, like, can we have things muted, please? The thing is कि whenever I have anything like this, whatever we are talking about, judgment and expectation, उसकी एनर्जी क्या है? उसकी एनर्जी क्या है? नेगेटिव है कि पॉजिटिव है? लाइट है कि हैवी है?
Heavy है.
हैवी है ना. यही तो आपको 1 घंटा लग गया मुझे समझाने में, मगर बात यही आ रही थी. उसका सीड ही हैवीनेस है ना. उसका सीड ही हैवीनेस है, तो हैवी करेगा ना वो. क्यों? क्योंकि आप उसकी ब्यूटी कहाँ देख रहे हैं जिससे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं? जब वो नहीं भी करता ना, उसमें भी कोई बेहतरी हो रही होती है. मेरे बच्चे से मैंने बोला, मुझे आप मोबाइल में ये एप्लीकेशन सिखा दो. उसने बोला नहीं. तो मुझे एज अ मदर क्या लगा कि यार आई एक्सपेक्टेड कि इतना भी मैंने तुम्हारे लिए इतना कुछ किया, तुम एक मुझे एप्लीकेशन नहीं सिखा सके. यू गेट दैट? दिस वाज माय एक्सपेक्टेशन. यू गेट दैट? मगर उसके ना करने में भी जो उसके पीछे फायदा था, वहां तक मुझे पहुंचने में बहुत वक्त लगा. क्योंकि जब उसने नहीं बताया ना, तो मुझे हाथ पांव मारने आ गए. तो मुझे एप्लीकेशन खुद से खेलनी आ गई. Are you getting?
No, sure.
So till the time I have expectations and judgment, I'm always functioning from the heaviness that is there within me. And where does heaviness come from? There is a void. There is a deep crevice there. And what is that crevice talking about? I am yet not one with light.
Yeah.
I am yet not as close to light that I can be. You get that?
Yeah.
नहीं तो अपने चश्मे बदल चुके होते हैं ना.
Clear, clear. Thank you so much.
Yeah, अपने चश्मे बदल चुके होते तब तक. So everywhere, you know, that we do not desire to change our spectacles, and you know, get this basic tool of light and heavy is so amazing. It is just like putting a sieve. That's it. And when you put a sieve, तो कभी भी चाय छानते हैं ना, तो कभी उसमें पत्ती जाती नहीं. ये ऐसी सीव है. आपको ये सीव ऑफ क्लैरिटी है. सीव ऑफ क्लैरिटी का मतलब रहता है आपको सच्चाई जानने की. क्लैरिटी क्या है, आपके लिए क्या बेहतर है, you know. And और जो चीज आप नहीं भी कर पा रहे, उसके भी आप पास जा पाएंगे जब आपको क्लैरिटी होगी. Isn't it? डिनाइल कैसा होता है? डिनाइल ऐसे होता है कि यार अपनी तो कोई गलती नहीं है, इसे कोई बोलने की आदत है. अपनी की तो कोई गलती नहीं है, यही सारा दिन बैंगन भरे घूमते रहते हैं. ऐसे ही रहता है ना. इसको कहते हैं डिनाइल, है ना. मगर जब ये रहता है कि हाँ यार अपने में भी गलती हो सकती है, लेट मी जस्ट स्टेप बैक एंड यूज दैट टूल ऑफ लाइट एंड हैवी एंड आस्क अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस कि मालविका यार हकीकत में चल क्या रहा है. अपने आप को बदलना मुश्किल लग रहा है, अंदर से आवाज आती है हाँ. दूसरे में गलतियां ढूंढनी ज्यादा आसान लगती है, फिर बहुत जोर से आवाज आती है हाँ. अपने आप को चेंज करने में कितनी डिफिकल्टी रहती है यार, इतनी जिंदगी में इतना तो चेंज हो गए, अब मैं यार मतलब क्या क्या चेंज करूं, क्योंकि वो सभी कुछ कूड़ा कबाड़ चेंज होने की जरूरत है ना, किसमें, लाइट में, isn't it? अंधकार को रोशनी में बदलने का क्या तरीका रहता है, मुझे बताइए। लाइट जलाएंगे तो अंधकार चला जाएगा, है ना, मगर लाइट जलाएंगे कब, जब डिनायल से ऊपर उठेंगे ना। अपनी दूसरी की बात नहीं है, सारी मेरी स्टोरी है, मेरी ही स्टोरी है और मेरे साथ ही है। दूसरे लोग अपना किरदार इस इतने खूबसूरत प्ले में इतना कमबख्त अच्छा कर रहे हैं ना, इन्होंने पता नहीं कितनी प्रैक्टिस करी है, नहीं है ना, इतनी प्रैक्टिस करी। और मैंने भी अपना किरदार अदा करने में कितनी जबरदस्त प्रैक्टिस करी है ना, क्योंकि अपना किरदार छोड़ने में बहुत मुश्किल लगती है, नहीं है। एकदम राम की एक्टिंग करते करते हनुमान बनना पड़ जाए तो पूंछ लगानी भूल जाते हैं, आग किसको लगाएंगे, ऐसे ही रहता है ना। So each time when I have to face reality, I feel very bad about it because it's a tough game, darling, and it's tough for everyone. मगर बात ये है ना कि टफ को इजी भी तो अपने नहीं करना है ना। मेरे कमरे में आप आके लाइट नहीं जला सकते, मैं अपने कमरे में खुद आके लाइट जला सकती हूँ और उस लाइट से देख सकती हूँ, अच्छा मैं बॉडी कॉन्शियसनेस से काम करती हूँ, है ना। और पता है क्या है ना, कई बार ऐसे होता है ना कि जब सास बन जाए तो सास का किरदार भी बहुत अच्छा है, नहीं, मैगी हॉट एंड स्वीट वाला होता है यार, इतना टेस्टी, उसके डालते हैं ना तो सब चीज थोड़ी तिल मिला उठती है, नहीं ऐसी वाली बात है। और आप देखिए कि उस किरदार में बहुत मिठास भी है, उस किरदार में बहुत मिठास भी है, तो हम मिठास कहाँ भूल जाते हैं ना। जहां जहां मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में अपनी लाइफ में कांटे पाए, मुझे सिर्फ कांटों का पता लगता है। जब मेरा वो रोल अदायगी का टाइम आता है ना, मेरे को पता ही नहीं चलता मैं कैसे वो कांटे पास ऑन कर देती हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता चलता। यू गेट दैट? क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे अपने कांटों की अवेयरनेस ही नहीं होती कि हाँ यार ये अभी पुरानी चीज ना अपने अपने जहन में अभी भी है, 50 साल हो गए मगर है अभी भी। यू गेट दैट? इट माइट बी मेरे बचपन में थी, मेरी एडल्टहुड में थी, मेरे टीन एज में थी, कहीं ना कहीं वो मिसिंग चीज थी जो कि मैं आज उसको दूसरे रिलेशनशिप्स में उसको ढूंढना चाहती हूँ। या और जब जब वो ढूंढना चाहती हूँ ना, मुझे उसमें काफी इनएडिक्वेसी दिखाई देती है, काफी इनकम्प्लीटनेस दिखाई देती है। So everywhere that I'm not ready to look into my own self and see what is it, what is the missing link, where is the wound, और वो अभी भी कहाँ दुख है, कहीं अंदर है ना। तो जब जब वो दुख कम करने की हम how will we actually get relief in that pain? Firstly by knowing I'm not this body, I'm the soul. Okay, this body is going to come and go, but the soul is always alive and it never goes. Why? Because it doesn't have a body, it is just a soul. It takes up a body that is like in me and you. Why? Because that has to accomplish something here. तो वाइसेस कैसे जाएंगी ना, वाइसेस कैसे जाएंगी मेरे बीच में से, जब तक when I take that soul takes up a body, and then you have relationships, and then you have so many things to go in and out of, and that thing clears, and then you become light, isn't it? तो बहुत सारी चीजों की जिनको आपको कई साल पहले मुश्किल रहती थी, आज नहीं है उस चीज में मुश्किल। क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पे अंधकार से लाइट आ चुकी है ना। और बहुत सारी हैं अभी बाकी जिनमें अभी नहीं है उतनी क्लैरिटी हम सब में, एंड दैट टू इज ग्रेट, क्योंकि यही तो प्रोसेस है। दिस इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ एनलाइवनिंग एंड एनलाइटनिंग and getting back to light. And that is what takes lifetimes and lifetimes. And everything that does not allow us to make this journey so full of happiness and joy, so free of criticism, so that we can just see whatever is real, and everything that still keeps stopping us, keeps holding us back, keeps us lashed somewhere, everything that is. Would you now in this time like to let all of that go, so that you wholly, solely belong to light? Yeah? Did that, Anu, could something be clear here?
हाँ मालविका, कुछ कुछ हो रहा था, कुछ कुछ और opinions बन रहे थे कि probably you go into judgment of others and then you feel you don't belong. But somehow again I was proven wrong. It's not about belonging. It's just that I just belong to me, myself. That's it. That's the only thing that cropped up. कि छोड़ो जी, तुम अपने काम करो आराम से. Don't go into judgment. I mean, I have stopped. And that has really created a lot of space for me. It had really made me very lighter with practice over a period of time. I have stopped going into judgment. I have really, and it has helped me a lot. And
So beautiful.
यही आया आप जो अभी परवीन जी से बात कर रहे थे. It was really, it really took me 3-4 years down the line, when probably I was working from those spaces, those areas, always in judgment, being critical, and looking for everything dark, everything negative. And when you get out of that space, it clears a lot for you. It makes life. And when you say ki, when you don't go into, you said something about coming into light. I could totally relate to that. Yes, I have started experiencing being lighter, being very light. I mean, criticism doesn't crops up in your head. It's like let them be. When you talked about person who don't expect anything from you, I know 2-3 people like that. Earlier, when you go back 5-6 years down the line, I would be so critical. I mean, वो तो कुछ बोलते ही नहीं, कुछ कहते ही नहीं. And now I have started accepting that, and it has made me really अच्छा लगता है मुझे when you take them as they are. अच्छा लगता है, you are not going into any kind of negativity. You are just letting them be.
And you are
It's
allowing
just
yourself to be too, no?
Yeah, probably. And it is,
So sweet.
I have some long time back, when my elder daughter was in school, there's a bookshop near my house, and the person there, he's a very old person. He would tell me कि आप आती हो, why don't you smile? थोड़ा सा smile ही कर दिया करो. And I never thought कि मैं कभी smile नहीं करती. I was like always very strict mom, strict person. धीरे धीरे started opening up. अब तो मैं जाती हूँ. It's like I'm always smiling, and so many people they return the smile. And that uncle, I told him, I said आपने कहा था smile नहीं करती. अब ठीक है, कहते हाँ अच्छी लगती हो. अच्छा लगता है. It's all about self acceptance, I would say. कि ठीक है, हम जैसे हम अच्छे हैं.
We don't permit
ठीक है.
ourselves to smile and laugh and just be, and और मुझे लगता है कि हम सेल्फ जजमेंट से घिरे रहते हैं ना, हमारी चाल बताती है.
अपने को ही पोक करते रहना, ये अच्छा नहीं है, या चले सब अच्छा है, जो चल रहा है ठीक है. I mean, एक होता है लेवरेज, एक होता है अलाउंस, जो आप बहुत कहते हो कि थोड़ी लेवरेज देनी चाहिए, थोड़ा अलाउंस देना चाहिए लोगों को कि let them be. Only then you can live your life nicely or lightly, I would say.
This is only possible when you live your life. Till the time I do not live my life, I cannot allow anyone to let live. Have you ever seen people who do not live their lives? They are always sitting in somebody else's balcony, in somebody else's head, in somebody else's job, in somebody else. Have you seen that? Yeah. So what is their problem? Because कभी खुद जिए होते तो किसी को जीते हुए आप देख सकते हो ना, नहीं तो खुद भी मरते रहते हैं, दूसरों भी मरता रहे तो कितनी खुश रहते हैं.
Yeah, exactly. I can relate somebody to this. Totally.
Get it? So everywhere that I do not live my life holistically, Yeah. Life is not, it is not segregated. It is not compartmentalized. It is holistic. Yeah. So if I'm feeling peaceful, my entire body feels peaceful. My all relationships are peaceful. My behavior is peaceful. My actions are peaceful. My job is peaceful. Are you getting me? That's how it is. That is how it is holistic. Yeah. And when I'm not, then everything is in the not space. Yeah. Why? Because everything is in the KNOT space. You get OT, yeah? Not is not space is KNOT.
KNOT, yeah.
Everywhere there's going to be knots.
Knots.
Yeah. So everywhere that you've not been allowing yourself to unknot those knots so that you get to start living your life, so that you start belonging, so that you start feeling nice and good and elated and happy and present, everything that stops you, would you in this time like to just let go all the layers, all the levels, all the lifetimes that you have constricted yourself, not being an allowance of what life is and what is living life. How would it look like? How would it be like? How would it feel like? Yeah. Everywhere that you are not connected to that ever, would you in this time like to connect back to that energy of wholesomeness?
Yeah.
Everything that still stops you, would you now like to let all of that go, please? Right?
Thank you, Malvika. Thank you.
Malvika, आ, आज मेरे को पता नहीं क्या हुआ है, आधी चीजें समझ में आ रही है, आधी सिर से ऊपर जा रही है, पता नहीं मैं ही डम साउंड कर रही हूँ कि मेरे जैसा कोई और भी है इस कॉल पे।
कोई बात नहीं है, कई बारी प्लीज बी इन अलाउंस ऑफ दैट आल्सो, क्योंकि कई बारी टॉपिक्स इतने इन डेप्थ और यू नो आई हैव बीन टेलिंग एक एक कॉल जो आपने इतने साल इतने दिनों में करी है, यू नो लाइक 65 days plus, I think each call has been a master class in itself. Yeah. And it's been a totally different kind of delivery. It's not been like the usual classes and calls that I've ever done. Yeah. And they have a lot of meaning. And sometimes what happens is that like if a lot is cleared, also you create so much of space for yourself that the understanding ability goes away. Okay, subconscious level is receiving it all, but at the conscious level, probably you know it is like you're quite blank, you're quite unaware. Like आपको लगेगा ऐसे, मगर ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. Body बहुत receptive होती है और हमेशा receive कर रही होती है. Okay, so give it time. Give it time. You know, each time, because we are not used to space ना, हमेशा भरी रहे तो बहुत आदत है उसकी कि बस भरे रहो हमेशा, नहीं है ना? So आज जब कुछ तरीके से किसी तरीके से वो थोड़ी खाली है तो वो खालीपन ऐसे लगेगा जैसे void है, मगर mind you ये void नहीं है. ये जो आप experience कर रहे हैं ना, void और space में बहुत ज्यादा फर्क रहता है. Okay, void comes from the loneliness. This space is just space of being spacious. Something has gone out which was there within you, functioning unknowingly, and you could not put a finger on that. Yeah. And when things go away, that's good. No, just let's enjoy and let's start attuning, giving our time, body some time to attune to that space. That's it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So good going for today. Yeah. And
Yeah, I'm just, Malvika, I just love the call for today because probably the morning started so well for me in that awareness, in that choice of, you know, going for a television series and that to Geeta. And then all the messages in the call is going through that way only. I don't know what sort of excitement and happiness I'm feeling inside, but that is like a bomb of excitement I'm having. So I'm in different, yeah.
चंडीगढ़ में बॉम्ब एक्सप्लोजन होने वाला है मतलब.
हाँ मतलब मैं मोहाली में हूँ तो हम ट्राई सिटी में कर सकते हैं that happiness and excitement because I don't know I actually feel it like you know that belongingness to every molecule of universe right at the moment, you know that that
Yeah.
molecule is belong to me and I just belong to it, and it's just evaporated every bit of mine into it.
Okay.
So means मैं और वो अभी I'm feeling that sort of excitement internally. I don't know, but yeah, that is what I can't even probably receiving की बात हो रही थी. So it's being oneness with every molecule of the universe by which I can say that is a light or something. I don't know, but yeah, that is my source. So इस कॉल में बहुत मजा आया, and all special thanks to Praveen and Danu for their real contribution, because when you said कि अगर किसी को मेरे से expectations होंगी and how the layers have opened up for me, you know, I understood my part, but I need to understand that part as well more authentically.
So amazing. That's so nice, guys. I think it's time for some moments of meditation. Let's melt in ourselves and let's melt in the belongingness, and let's give ourselves a chance to live. Let's close our eyes and let's close our eyes to the external world for some time. And this external world, which is all beautiful, but sometimes closing our eyes to that opens up the eyes within. And the eyes within take me deep down, take us deep down into the layers where I have felt I do not belong for so many layers, lifetimes, dimensions. In those layers lie pain. In those layers lie that longing of being one with the Supreme God. In those layers lies anger, the anxiety. In those layers lie judgment. In those layers lie expectations. However, all of this that is toxic, that does not allow us to belong to this body that is gifted to us. Belonging to this body in this moment, for this moment is a moment that all of us desire to melt into. Whenever I am looking with the eyes of criticism, it could be criticizing me, myself, or anyone else, or the circumstances, or the jobs, or the relationships, or the neighbors, or whoever else. I keep wallowing in pain there. And the pain wears a dress of criticism. What makes me criticize anybody? Is it that the pain within I camouflage with criticism when I feel good about myself a little better? I can breathe a little better in that moment. I feel somebody is worse than me. Worse than me in looks, worse than me in success, worse than me in wealth, worse than me in beauty. And somewhere, that dragon within me makes me feel good. Makes me feel good that I'm better. I am better than the other. Not realizing the other one and me are the same. Only in body consciousness is the other other. In the soul consciousness, all of us are children to that same divine. And each time I get into the body consciousness, I just forget. Consciousness and soul consciousness absolutely just goes somewhere out of my window. I start calculating the black and the white, the rich and the poor, the good and the bad. And this dragon takes away all the joy, all the joy that the soul possesses innately. The innate qualities of the soul are: it is peaceful, it is powerful, it is pure, it is divine, it is fearless. And there's another reason why I need to criticize others. And that is that I'm fearful. And what is the fear? That might be somebody does not get ahead of me. Get ahead of me in beauty, in brains, in money, in physicality, in abundance, in good relationships, and whatever. The dragon of biases always keeps me short-sighted. And it doesn't allow me to see who I truly am and what is my purpose here. And those dragons, they always keep me in the body consciousness. They have an expertise in that. How is it that we always desire to get back to home after a holiday, after a tour in another city, after traveling abroad? We're just, after a few days, we desire to get back home. Why? Because we belong to that. The home belongs to us. The word house does not hold that energy of a home. The word home is talking about the warmth and the sweetness and the joy and the happiness. The word house seems as if just the walls are there and a roof to it. And the warmth is missing. And going back to light is also just like that. That paradise is so warm. It's so full of love. It's so full of happiness. It's so innately peaceful. It's so pure and divine that just the thought of it gives me ease in my body. And the wonderment is that all of us have to go back home, and that is to light. And in this gift of the body, it's a gift, a precious gift. And we are gifted this body so that we can perform the role play that we have been asked to. Just do away with the impurities and just go back to the pure, the eternal. And how is it that going back home is like, it's like going back to freedom. And what is the freedom talking about? Freeing ourselves of all the limitations, of all the belief systems that we have been working on. Of all the vices that we just took to unknowingly. And as and how we are getting free of all of this, we are experiencing freedom in this journey back home. This is a journey back home, that is talking about you belonging to you. And that supreme light that all of us belong to. That supreme light that does not segregate anybody as rich and poor, as dark and black and white, and dark and light, and rich and poor, whatever else. There is no dichotomy there. The light does not know what is a dichotomous universe. The lesser I get to see the vices of people is the biggest indication that tells me that I have worked on my vices and I am more towards the virtues. That's why the spectacles that I'm wearing today have changed. Have changed from what I was wearing 5 years from now, 5 years back. It's such a beautiful change of spectacles. When my eyes do not see the vices in people, For all I know, that I am the creator of my own life. And I am the creator of this journey too. And the onus that I take of creating a life, whatever I desire, makes me feel like, feel like the most beautiful, the most amazing painter on the planet who can just put any color on the canvas of life and create a canvas called life to which that painter belongs, and vice versa too. So on this journey back home to where we belong, let's put some music to it. Let's put some most beautiful aromatic flowers on the way. Let's pave a beautiful pathway. Let's remove all the weeds that come on the way. With a big smile, with tons of ease, and with worlds of support of that Supreme God. And let's be on this path joyfully. The path to go back home. The path to go back home to which we belong. Let's get back to breath. Let's get back to the inhale and the exhale. Let's start connecting to it, becoming aware of it, becoming aware of where we are sitting, lying down. Becoming aware of our closed eyes, becoming aware of the sounds that you can hear, including my voice. Becoming aware of this, the music being played. Let's get back here. It's good to reach. Such a happy space. Love and thanks.
Thank you, Malvika. Thank you so much, you know. And I think when you have that sense that you belong to yourself only, it strengthens you. It really strengthens you from inside. I mean, without thinking that, no, you have to do this because of that. No, you have to do this just because of yourself. And you cannot let yourself down at any given moment. You know, it really strengthens you. It's such a nice place. Thank you so much. And I totally relate to those gulmohar trees. I just love them. You know, whenever I enter my lane, it's like, yes, you belong here. You belong to this space. Thank you so much for bringing so much clearing, so much clarity into my, the space. Thank you.
So beautiful. Thank you. Gee, I can't give a name to Galaxy J18. Yeah. Can we have your name, please? It's a familiar face, but I can't put a name. Are you Jaya? I can't hear you. Ji? Are you Jaya?
Madhu Agarwal.
Madhu Agarwal. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Great to have you.
Yes. Yesterday also I connected.
Yeah, you were there, but you were not there on we didn't have a revealed screen, no? So
yeah,
obviously I couldn't see you.
That's the thing.
But anyway,
Thank you.
so good to have you here.
Yeah, I am Akhyati's mother. You must be knowing her.
Who?
Akhyati Agarwal.
Oh, Akhyati's mother. Amazing. Okay.
She was telling me for a long time you joined that, but I could do it yesterday and today only.
So good. So good to have you, Mataji.
Okay. Thank you. And it was very interesting. Hope to see you daily.
That's so good. Amazing. See you.
Oh, yes. You were really amazing.
More often.
Yes. You were really amazing.
Oh, thank you.
It's a very good experience. So I haven't done access bar, but still I could relate to a lot of things.
So good, no? That's so nice. Amazing to have you and just keep coming back. It's so nice.
Yes. I hope to join daily.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to all of us. All the
रेंदु जी आज क्लास बेटर थी ना?
हाँ, आज तो ना ज्यादा ही नशा चढ़ा हुआ
है ना?
आज तो कुछ नशा सा चढ़ा हुआ बहुत ज्यादा।
हाँ, मगर मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, आपकी कॉल आज बेटर थी ना? है ना? उस डिवाइडेड एनर्जी से आज बेटर थी ना? So let's do that each day. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for joining in. And have a great day. And we shall see you again tomorrow. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.